English News Bulletin. I am Brian Sikwara and these are the headlines. More deaths on Thursday as oxygen levels dip. High Court apologizes to people on deaths as government commitment on oxygen fails. Government gives more assurances. For rural Goa, water is still an issue. In Deputy CM Babu Kavlekar's constituency, Barsem villagers have to walk over a kilometer for water for their daily needs. PWD taps all dry since installation. Goa will get very heavy rainfall due to a cyclone over Lakshadweep on May 16th after low pressure area formed over Southeast Arabian Sea and adjoining Lakshadweep area. And now for the news in detail. On Thursday too, despite commitments to the courts, the oxygen levels dipped early in the morning. This led to panic calls by doctors and many of the NGO's patients. However, nobody could do anything. It looked like the sources indicate that oxygen could be the reason that as many as 20 persons on ventilators lost their lives. The deaths due to lack of oxygen and the ability to maintain pressure has been one of the reasons why people are dying, say experts. For the past few days, deaths during the night have hit double figures. The GMC says that it is not possible to maintain the pressure, leading many to question how the authorities were not prepared after getting an indication during the first wave.
Odd number 147, 27 bed number. कसे आयज पळय 23 वॉर्ड नंबर 23 बेडांतलो अशें एक सकाळी बरें आसलेले पेशंट आयज सडनली 12 ऑक्सिजन तांकां कमी जाता आनी कित्या खातीर आनी कितें कोण जाणा टोटल अशे 6-7 जाण एकेच फावटी हांगासर डेथ जाले.
The lack of control on the deaths has led Goans from all classes, including the political class, to lash out at the government. Even the ruling BJP had to admit that such mistakes should not be repeated.
आयज खूब वायट दिसता की गोंयान परतून एकदां फांतोडेच्या 2 ते 6 ह्या दरम्यान परतून एकदां 20 जाणांचे मृत्यू गेल्ले आसा. काल हायकोर्टान सरकाराचे कान ओडलेले, सरकाराक उजरायल्लो आनी सरकाराक सांगलेले सगळी खबरदारी घेयात पूण गोंयकारांचे प्राण वाचयात. रायट टू लायफ, जिवीत जगपाचो अधिकार हो दर मनशाक आसा आनी त्याच नियमाच्या अनुसार हायकोर्टान ह्या सरकारचे कान पिवळले, ह्या सरकाराक उजरायल्लो आनी हांकां सारकी इन्स्ट्रक्शनां दिल्ले कितेंय करा, सारके प्रयोजन करात, गॅस सिलिंडर सारके थंय पावयात, ते ऑक्सिजन जे पेशंटाक जाय ते पावयात. पूण परतून एकदां हे सरकार खंय तरी फाटी पडला. दुःख दिसता आमचे गोंयचे लोक आयज मरतात.
I am of the opinion that the High Court should appoint a task force, a strong task force full of experts. आणि पहिले म्हणटा ते कित्याक ऑक्सिजन ना हो प्रश्न हेच ना, ऑक्सिजन आसा. आता जे ऑक्सिजन जर कमी पडटा जाल्यार इंडस्ट्रीक जे सप्लाय जाता ते ताबडतोब डायवर्ट जावपाक जाय आनी हॉस्पिटलांनी सगळे कडेन चिकार ऑक्सिजनाची कॅपॅसिटी भरून स्टोरेज सुद्धा करून दवरपाची एक व्यवस्था जावपाक जाय. म्हाका दिसता हे हायकोर्ट डायरेक्शन जर हायकोर्टान जर दीत जाल्यार हें जावंक शकता. ह्या सरकाराचेर आनी दवरले जाल्यार आनी कितलेशे शेकड्यांनी लोक मरतले गोंयचे आनीक हे जे दूख जे आसा ते आपापल्या घरा पावल्यारूच तांकां कळटा म्हणून तांकां अजून कोणाक तशें जावंक ना म्हणून तें कळोंक ना.
भंय दिसतालो गेल्या वेळार पण आज परिस्थिती अशी जाली. गेल्या वेळार आमी भितरल्यान फर्स्ट वेव्हांच्यान भायर सरले पण सेकंड वेव जे आसा ही इतली कडक आयली कारण आमी पळयता न्ही काल पळयल्लो मनीस आयज आमकां पळोवपाक मेळना खूब वायट दिसता आमी जेंकां बऱ्याच जाणांक वळखता ते मनीसूच ना जातात.
Ironically, the government has stopped private people from buying cylinders without a government doctor's prescription.
सो एकंदर गोंयांत जितले लोक आमचे मरतात तेची चिंता ह्या सरकाराक घेवचीच पडटली. ती जबाबदारी घेवचीच पडटली. ही जबाबदारी घेवन आयज बसून जे आमचे गोंयकार मेल्या तेंची जबाबदारी घेवन गोंयकारांची हेंच्यांनी माफी मागची पडटली. आरोग्य मंत्री, मुखेलमंत्री हेंच्यांनी खरें म्हटल्यार आपणाचें पद सोडूंक जाय आसलें, कित्याक ते फेल जाल्ले आसा. ते लोकांक रायट टू लायफ दिवपाक फेल जाल्ले आसा. हें सरकार जिवीत जगण्याचो अधिकार प्रोवायड करपाक हें सरकार सबशेल फेल जाल्लें आसा.
William Rodrigues for Goa 365 from Panaji. The High Court on Thursday expressed its sorrow after so many people died between the 2 a.m. to 6 a.m. corridor. The court has, in its order dated May 12, asked the state government to ensure that there are no more casualties due to shortage of oxygen.
The government attributed the late night deaths to logistical issues involved in maneuvering the tractor which carries the trolleys of oxygen and in connecting the cylinders to the manifold. The court asked the Health Secretary to file a status report by tomorrow 6 p.m. by email, and that if they were not satisfied with the status report, further proceedings would be held on Saturday, May 15th, or else the court will continue hearing the matter on Monday, May 17th.
It is the High Court's intervention, I believe, that has massively impacted this problem. Today's hearing mostly was regarding the concern regarding the oxygen crunch which is faced at GMC. Now, despite orders passed yesterday, there were some deaths due to oxygen crunch that was noticed. So, because of this, the High Court wanted to know what is the exact situation and what are the remedies that can be done. So now we have moved an application for making certain more parties in the matter. That is, we have asked for Govindpur Oxygen, Scoop, SA Oxynitro Private Limited and Kunkolim Oxygen to be made parties. Now, since these people are the major suppliers of oxygen, maybe they will be also able to chip in and help how better supply of oxygen can be made to GMC and other hospitals in order to ensure that there are no deaths as far as oxygen shortage is concerned. Now, Super Specialty Block has a capacity of about 500 beds, and I believe it is not running at full capacity. There are some works pending. So we've made this company a party, which is HHC India Limited, and they are constructing this project. So they will also be able to better inform the court how fast they can hand over this building, because what we are looking at is next going to happen is the impending third wave, which could affect largely a significant portion of the population. So before that, we need all these arrangements in place. I wouldn't say satisfied as far as the outcome is concerned in terms of reduction of deaths. Even one life lost because of oxygen crunch would make me to say otherwise. But I believe what the court has taken enough effective steps, and the court is ensuring that every possible measure is explored, every possible solution is arrived at to make sure that this problem is non-existent to some extent now. I could not have asked for any better orders that have been passed today or in these matters over the last 3-4 days that the court has been hearing. The court has been hearing the matter also continuously and also expressed that they will sit on Saturday if the need be. We've just received, were informed during the hearing that the union government has increased the LMO quota, which was I believe around 21 metric tons to about 46 metric tons. In addition to that, we have local production of about 15 metric tons. So that right now may scale to about 56 metric tons, which will help the severe oxygen crunch that we are facing. The other issue is regarding those Dura cylinders that were fitted. I believe they have still not been able to optimally use them. That issue is still before how Scoop, that is the agency which is looking after installation of the cylinders, is going to install it properly and make sure it's working. During the hearing, there was counsel appearing on behalf of Scoop, who also addressed on this issue. The High Court has directed the state government to notify it about what is the progress of all these hearings that has taken place all this while, and to inform them by tomorrow. In case the situation is not good or it worsens further, the High Court may even sit on Saturday and hear the matter. And if not, otherwise the matter is kept on Monday to see further how these issues can be solved.
The government told the court that they will stop trolleys and fit a pressurized system to stop the dip in oxygen pressure.
One positive thing that came out of this hearing is that now the government is going to discontinue with the trolley system of oxygen supply at GMC, and they are fitting a pressurized or an LMO tank which they have procured from Prex Air, I believe, which is at Bicholin, and which is now going to be fitted in GMC. So that may solve this whole problem where the trolleys come in. Fluctuation problems, exactly. So fluctuation basically happens when there is a switchover, and this happens apparently every 25 minutes. But the maximum impact of the switchover is felt during the night when there are usually about 15 to 20 deaths that have taken place. A single person should have died for the lack of oxygen. There are other factors which influence, which are beyond even doctors' hands. But severe crunch of oxygen and people dying because of that is something not actually acceptable. So even the High Court was quite sensitive about this issue. In fact, the judges apologized that despite whatever efforts High Court is taking, these deaths still took place.
What the government told the court. Dura cylinders will be positively installed and made operational at the GMC today itself. 323 oxygen concentrators are being flown into the state and will be available for use at GMC by today itself. Oxygen storage tank to be installed at GMC by May 17th. Once this tank is installed, the issue of uninterrupted supply of oxygen will be sorted out to a great extent, they promised. Central government has increased the oxygen quota. William Rodrigues for Goa 365.
Government is still boasting about getting an award from the centre for providing 100% drinking water tap connectivity in households. But the rural areas of Goa show a different picture altogether. In Deputy Chief Minister Chandrakant Babu Kaulekar's Kepe constituency's Barse village, people have to walk a kilometer to bring water from a small spring to fulfill their daily needs. Yes, there are taps installed by the PWD in the village, but all are dry since installation. Watch our story.
सध्या एका सायडीन गोंयभर कोरोनाची महामारी इतकी कडक जायत चल्ला की लोक सगळे भयभीत जाल्या. दुसऱ्या वाटेन केपें वाठारांतल्या खेडे बार्शे पंचायत म्हणजेच पाडी पंचायत ह्या नांवान फामाद आशिल्ल्या गोकळडे ह्या वाठारांत उदकाची इतकी समस्या जाल्या की जवळ जवळ 1 म्हयन्या साकून लोकांक उदकच ना. ताका लागून गांवांतल्या कांय लोकांनी सुमार 1 किलोमिटर अंतराचेर आशिल्ल्या होळांक फोंड मारून तें उदक आपल्या पद्दतीन हाडून आपली ताण भागोवपाचो प्रयत्न केला. कांय वर्सां पयलीं ह्याच गांवांतल्या कांय लोकांनी एकठांय जावन सुमार 5 ते 7 लाख खर्च करून हांगासर स्वताची पायपलायन घालून उदकाची वेवस्था केल्ली. पूण ताच्या नंतर गव्हर्मेंटाची पायपलायन हांगासर आशिल्ल्यान पयलींची पायपलायन ही तशीच बंद पडली आनी गव्हर्मेंटान प्रत्येक घरा नळ आनी प्रत्येकाक उदक अशी वेवस्था केली. पूण हे नळूय गव्हर्मेंटान आपल्या पद्दतीन बांदले, पूण ह्या नळाक मातशें अजिबात उदक ना. हे नळ म्हणजे फक्त शोपीस पद्दतीचे जाले. तुमी थोडे लोक फोंड मारून उदक हाडटा आनी कितें उदक
खंयच्यान हाडप न्हू, आज वळांच्यान खंयच्यान झरीच्यान खंयच्यान.
आनी तुमगे नळ बेश्ट्याचो
ते बेश्टे हे कोण दिलो उदक बी कांय सोडना. सांग उदका म्हणून बेजारे सांग नाक दिसता. हे आतां कोण दिल्यार उदक येना सारकें.
मग तुम्ही पयलीं कितें टँकर बिंकर बी अजून काही सुरू जावना?
खूब वर्स केन्ना येयलो तो, आतां केन्ना येयला रे बाबू.
टँकरच ना तुमकां?
आनी टँकर येयलो म्हणून मदीं बघा खंय उदक वयता खंयच्यान जाल्यार भायर कोळशान हाडपा हें रस्तो खंय हा मदें.
पूण निदान हांगा तरी हाडले तर रस्त्या वयल्यान तरी तुमकां मेळटा न्हू?
मेळटा रे, तस मेळटा. आतां हांवें 2 फाटी हाडिल्लें, हे मात 3 फाटी.
सारकोन दिल्या कितें जाता, ही पायपलायन मान हिंगा हें करून त्या ते कितें जाता तूं कितले फाटी ऑफिसां गेलो आमीच गेला बरो ना म्हणून ते सांगप. ते मागीर उदक हें करून मागीर तेंगे सोय आपोवन म्हणून ते मागीर हें करताले. म्हणून त्या जाग्यार उदका म्हणटे सय गेला, उदका म्हणटे हेंच केला. उदक पिवपा आनी खंयचें ती फोंडार मारलें खंयचें हांगेला. आयते आमी शॉर्ट बांय मारून उठलो. आतां एकलो तूं बांय मारून फायदो ना, इतल्या लोकांक इसान म्हणून फायदो करया अशें म्हणलें. वयर सान म्हणलें ते पयशे जाले ते पयशे उडयले म्हणलें 7 लाख रुपया. गरजे भायर
7 लाख रुपये तुम्ही तुमगे गांवच्या लोकांनी म्हणून हाडलेलें उदक
गांवच्या लोकांनी सगळ्यांक पूण हाडलें.
पूण गव्हर्मेंटान मदीं कितें पायपलायन घायल्या आनी सगळ्यांक नळ दिवपा बी कितें चलयलें न्ही
हय
तें कित्याक
चलयल्ले ते म्हटलें
आमकां म्हटल्यार सारको एप्रिला साकून स्टार्ट जाता. एप्रील मे जून पावस पडटकीर थोड्यांक उदक येता सारकें.
जेन्ना प्रॉब्लेम जाता तेन्ना हांगासरले PWDचे मनीस जे आसा वयर ऑथॉरिटी कळयले उपरांत किंवा आनी वयले ऑथॉरिटीचे मनीस तुमच्या गांवान बीन केन्ना येता पळयता विजिटींग कितें करता बीन AE बीन
ना तशें कोण येना. फक्त आमी आमच्या हांगा उदक सोडटा ताका सांगल्यार खूब तें म्हटल्यार रिपेर फक्त 15 दिसांनी 20 बरेच वेळान करता.
तुमगे गांवचो पंच बीन हांगासर येता आनी कितें तुमचो प्रश्न बी जाणून घेवपाक
ना तशें कोण येना. फक्त येता म्हटल्यार क्वेश्चन कांय विचारना आपल्या भाशेन भोंवता वयता.
जेन्ना ह्या गांवाक समस्या आसा म्हणून आमकां कळ्ळें आनी आमचे सारके पत्रकार ह्या गांवांत पावले तेन्ना ज्या लोकांनी आपली समस्या आमच्या सारक्या पत्रकारां कडेन मांडली त्या लोकांक बाबू कवळेकर केपेंचे आमदार आनी डेप्युटी स्पिकराचे जे समर्थक आसात ते समर्थक तांचे कडेन वचून तांकां चपराक दिवपाक लागले. तांचे तोंड बंद करपाचो प्रयत्न केला. अशाच तरेची खंय घटना सगळ्या भागांनी घडत आसा. अशा तरेचें वक्तव्य ह्याच केपें मतदारसंघाक आपले राजकीय नांव करपी असो मनीस म्हणजेच एल्टॉन फर्नांडीस हाणें ह्या बाबू कवळेकराच्या कर्तृत्वा विशीं सामकी नाराजी व्यक्त केल्या. गोवा 365 खातीर काणकोण आनी केपें भागांतल्यान देविदास गांवकर.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. India reported 3,62,727 COVID-19 cases and 4,120 deaths in the last 24 hours, taking total tally of cases to 2.37 crore and death toll to 2.53 lakhs. Out of total cases, 37.10 lakhs are active.
Maharashtra reported highest daily 46,781 cases, followed by Kerala 43,529 cases, Karnataka 39,998 cases, and Tamil Nadu 30,355 cases. These are top 4 states having most number of active cases. Karnataka 5,92,202, followed by Maharashtra 5,48,507 cases, Kerala 4,33,143 cases, and Rajasthan 2,09,110 cases. These are top 4 states which reported most deaths in last 24 hours. Maharashtra has reported highest 816 deaths, Karnataka 516, Delhi 300, and Tamil Nadu 293 deaths. Sandeep Narvekar for Quad 365.
Is it a social responsibility or carelessness? These crowds during the curfew should make us think.
There are 700 active COVID-19 cases in the primary health center at Kunkoli. There are daily 70 to 80 cases. Still, people are not serious about the pandemic. Watch the crowds at the Kunkoli market.
जो आसा कुंकळेचो बाजार, आज कुंकळे बाजारात पळयात लोकांनी इतली गर्दी केल्या की लोक हें सुद्दां विसरले की आमी सोशल डिस्टन्स दवरला काय ना हें सुद्दां विसरले. आज हे लॉकडावन अशें म्हूण कळच ना कित्याक लोकांली जी गर्दी जर पळयत जायत सामान घेवपाक तर खूब जाले कडेन आसा. ह्या वटेन रस्त्याचेर येरादारी चड जाले कडेन आसा. ह्या येरादारी खातीर पळय कितली ट्रॅफीक जाम जातली. हेजे वयल्यान हें लॉकडावन काय कितें हें तुमी पळोवपाक शकता हांगा. कित्याक सरकारान एक वटेन म्हणलां की सकाळी 7 ते 1 म्हणल्यार ओपन दवरले कडेन आसा. डेली लोक जर अशी जर हांगा जर येयले जाल्यार केसीस हांगा खूब वाडपाची शक्यता आसा. ऑलरेडी कुंकळे आनीक बाळ्ळी जे हेल्थ सेंटर आसा तितूंक चड केशी मेळटात. आज जवळ जवळ 700चे पावले कडेन आसात आनी दिसाक 70-80 ह्यो केश्यो हांगा मेळत आसात. आतांच डॉक्टर ममता काकोडकर बाळ्ळी PHCची डॉक्टर आसा ती आतांच आमचे कडेन उलयताली. न्यू जे कोवीड केअर सेंटर जे कुंकळे करपा आसा थंय ती पळोवपा येयल्ली. तेन्ना तेणें सांगलें की केसीस आमकां खूब मेळपा लागल्यात आनीक आमचे कडेन पावर असो कांय ना. कित्याक जर आतां हें जर सगळें करतले जाल्यार लोकांक कोण सांगतलो. लोकां फुडें उलोवन फायद ना, कित्याक लोक मेळत ते म्हणटात. हें लोकां कडच्यान आयकूं येता. इवन आमी जेन्ना रिकॉर्डिंग करपाक वयतात या काडपाक वयतात तेन्ना लोक सुद्दां गाळी मारतात. हे प्रत्यक्ष आज आमचे कडेन जाले कडेन आसा. कित्याक लोक अशें करून गाळी मारपाक लागतरीक मागीर नाकासलें हें जाता. म्हणून हेजेर खंय तरी सरकारान हेजेर स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन घेवपाक जाय. आनीक हे जे लोक जे भोंवतात हें मातशें कमी करपाक जाय. कित्याक लोक सोशल डिस्टन्स सुद्दां दवरनात. हें जर दवरलें जायत बऱ्या पडटलें. गोवा 365 खातीर कुंकळे साकून रमेश नायक राव.
Now watch the crowd of vehicles at the Ponda Upper Market, Ponda Tis Dada Vaidya Chowk and the airport road. There is a routine crowd at the Gandhi market in Margao. However, the crowd refuses to take rest during the pandemic. Watch the irresponsible attitude during the pandemic.
आज 5वो दीस. आज 5व्या दिसा सुद्दां लोकांनी सतत भशेन हांगा सगळ्या मार्केटान गर्दी केल्ली दिश्टी पडटाली. हांवें सकाळीं गांधी मार्केटान पयलें थंयसर खरेदी करपाक भाजी आनी कितें आसा हेर सामान खरेदी करपाक लोकांनी गर्दी केल्ली पळय दिश्टी पडटाली. तशेंच आमी मागीर हेर कडेन पयलें हेर शॉपांनी जे मार्केटान दुकानां आसा तेजे कडेन सुद्दां सारकी गर्दी करून लोक थंय खरेदी करताले ते दिश्टी पडटाले. सद्या कोरोनाचो भाव इतलो दुयेंसाचे इतले वाडिल्ले आसा. दिसाक 70 लोक मरतात आनी 2,500च्या वर केसीस डेलीच पॉझिटिव्ह जातात. हेंचे लोकांक कांयच भान ना. हे लोकांक केन्ना भान येतले कांय समजना. गोवा 365 खातीर मडगांवच्यान संदीप तुयेकर.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. The famous Lairoi Goddess Jatra has been cancelled due to coronavirus pandemic for the second straight year. The temple committee held a meeting in this regard and took the decision.
Deputy Collector Deepak Vaingankar, PI Mahesh Gadekar and President of Lairoi Temple Mahadev Gadekar was present during the meeting. Mahadev Gadekar gave details.
बरें घेवन येता. एक्चुअली आमी आतां पोरू सुद्दां आमी लोकांक सांगलेले की बरें घालूं नाका म्हणून. कारण कित्याक आमकां जी होमगाणां लांकडां लागता ती मातशी मोठी लागता आनी बारीक बोडयो असल्या कारणान ते आमी थंय यूज करिना. ते यूज करपाक होमगाणां मेळना. हे जे बरे आमकां घालतात आमचे भक्तगण ते आपल्या हितूनसून घालतात. तेंची आंगवणी बिंगणी आसतना घालतात. पूण तांकां म्हाजी एक विनंती आसा की तेंच्यान ते बरें घालचे न्हू. कित्याक ते बरें आमी खंय होमगाणां यूज करिना. वापर तेजो करिना. तेन्ना तांकां जर तेजी हें आसा आंगवणी बिंगणी कितें आसा तर तेंच्यान देवळान येवन एक तेजी 10 रुपयाची रिसीप्ट काडची. जेणे करून आनी जो आमचो थंय ब्राह्मण आसता पुरोहीत तेजे कडेन सांगणें करून घेवचें. थंय 10 रुपया रिसीप्ट काडून की तो बरो तांकां पावलो देवा असो तेंच्यान थंय तेजे आंगवणी हें करचें आनी उदक सोडचें.
Mahesh Goekar for Goa 365 from Shirgaon.
Now for the weather, Goa will get very heavy rainfall due to a cyclone over Lakshadweep on May 16th. There is a low pressure area formed over southeast Arabian Sea and adjoining Lakshadweep area, and it's likely to intensify into a cyclonic storm by 16th May.
The area is very likely to become well marked over Lakshadweep by 14th morning, concentrate into a depression over the region by the 15th morning, and intensify into a cyclonic storm during the subsequent 24 hours. It's very likely to intensify further and move northwestwards toward Gujarat and adjoining Pakistan coast. It's likely to reach near Gujarat coast around 18th May evening.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook, Goa365 TV, and subscribe our YouTube channel, Goa365 TV, or download our app on both Android and iPhones to watch it on your mobile. Keep watching Goa365.